Okay, and welcome to our skill factor review. Now notice here we have triangle A, B, C, and then we have A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, how would we best say this? Well, we would say triangle A, B, C. We have to give you that it is similar. Remember this little approximate, this little tilde, it means the phrase or the word similar, okay, is similar to A prime, B prime, C prime. And remember the ordering of the letters does, in fact, matter. Now, notice the next thing we want to do is we want to find our corresponding sides. So here I have BC, BC, and I want to say that BC is similar to B prime, C prime. Okay, so if I know this, well, how do I find my scale factor? If you will recall, we always find our scale factor by dividing. So here in this one instance, I'm going to take my second figure or my dilated figure and I'm going to divide it by my original figure, or aka 18 divided by 4. And you'll notice 18 divided by 4 is actually 4.5. So our scale factor is 4.5. And this would even allow us to find like this side if we wanted to. You'd simply do 21 divided by 4.5 to get to your missing side. Alright, so to go from your smaller shape to your larger shape, you multiply by 4.5. To go from your larger shape to your smaller shape, you divide by 4.5. Easy. Let's move on. Okay, here we have example 2, and we're given that AC is parallel to A prime, C prime. And we want to find the scale factor. Now, why in the world is this important? To say that AC, remember we can use arrows, is parallel to A prime, C prime. Or remember, if this one has 2 arrows, then this one needs 2 arrows to show that they are parallel. Well, because of our corresponding angle rules, that corresponds with that, and that angle corresponds with that angle, we know that we have 2 sets of congruent angles. And whenever we have 2 sets of congruent angles, by the angle-angle similarity postulate, remember I'll just abbreviate postulate, P-O-S-T, by the angle-angle similarity postulate, we know that CBA, triangle CBA, must be similar, not congruent, similar to triangle C prime, B, A prime. Notice my letters B are both B because they're the same point, so we can't call it B prime. Now, from here, if we want to find the scale factor, notice that this 12 is actually the whole line from B to A prime, and that AB, that 9, is going to be our part. So it's going to be important in our next section to think of wholes and parts, but we could say this. When we're going from A prime B to A B, we want to find our scale factor by dividing. Well, we can do 12 divided by 9. And so it appears that here our scale factor, we can actually divide both of these, or we can reduce them both by the value of 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. We can say our scale factor is either 4/3 or 1.33, approximately. Alright, let's go ahead and let's move on to our final example. Actually, just kidding, that is our final example. Good luck, guys. I'll see you in our next video.